everyone, this is Debbie here, and I'm spending Mother's Day with my mother. This is my lovely mother, Sandy. We call her Dr. DoLittle, and I'm going to share some footage showing you exactly why we call her Dr. DoLittle. I love you.
You gonna put me on the YouTube?
I'm putting you on the YouTube. Special segment today for Mother's Day. We just came out and visited my mom for Mother's Day. And y'all, my mother is a Dr. DoLittle, let me tell you. She loves animals, and I want to show you some footage. This is where I grew up. Pure country, I'm telling you. And my mother has always loved animals and has such a special gift and a talent. There are like bird galore out here. She's got birds and cats all living happily out here together, and she's got one crane over here that I want to show y'all, that she actually catches fish and has this crane trade. Every day it comes up for her to catch a fish to eat, and she's named this crane George. So that's what we're here today is I want to show y'all this situation. It's quite comical. Actually, it's quite amazing. And she's just got her own little piece of heaven right here. I'm telling you. She loves flowers and she loves animals. Oh, she's calling me. Let's see if I can get it. See her baby geese over here. She's been feeding them, and she fed the little red-headed woodpecker. Okay, do y'all see this? There is George. Look at this. She's over there fishing, and she's trying to catch the fish for the crane there on the dock. I don't want to get too close because I'll spook him.
You better get that game before it gets back in the water. Get it, George, get him. All right, good job. You got it? All right. You give her a good picture? Look at Debbie and grin.
You have a red bird.
Yeah, that's my cardinal.
He's pretty nice.
Yeah, my baby cardinals.
Was it breeding too?
I don't have any true cat food for them.
Yeah, cat food?
Yeah. It's been over a week since I bought that cat food. I ain't been to the store.
30 pounds.
Thomas stays over
It
there.
used to. There's George walking around.
Why do you keep throwing it on the ground?
We'll just come see it.
Save it for later.
Yeah, it's big as something.
Come on, Kiki. Now y'all go over here. Go over here. Come on. Come on. Come on. There. Y'all go back over there. Go back over there. All right, here. Woody. Okay, let me have